So hello everyone, myself Abhishek Yadav. So our today's topic is Java class loader. So basically, Java class loader it is an abstract class which belongs to the Java.language package. So it loads the classes from different resources. So Java class loader is used to load the classes of runtime in which words in another word. So the JVM performs the thinking process of runtime. So classes are loaded into the JVM and coded. Classes are loaded in JVM and code to be need if loaded. So if the loaded class depends on another class, the classes is loaded as well as the code. So whenever we request to load a class, it depends on the class to prevent the way of implementation which is maintained in the runtime environment. So it is essential to execute the program. Then Java class loader, it is basically has three principles. First of all, visibility, then uniqueness and delegations. So first of all, we discuss the delegation principle. So in this principle, it forwards the request of a class loader to prevent the class loader. It only loads the class if the principal. It only loads the class if the parent does not find the load of the class. Then visibility principle. So it allows the children class to load the or to see the loaded class by the parent class. Is class loader, but the parent class loaded cannot be classes loaded by the child class loader. Then uniqueness principle. So it allows to load the class. So once it achieves the delegation principle, it ensures that the child class does not reload the class which is already loaded in the class. Then there are the various types of class loader. First of all, bootstrap class loader, then extension class loader and system class loader. So first of all, bootstrap class loader. So it loads the standard JDK class. So it files from the .jar and another 4 classes. So it is a parent of all classes. So class loader doesn't have any parent if we call a string class and get a class loader. So it will return the 0 value and any code based on it throws the null point exception. It is called as primordial class loader. So it loads the file from the .jar type file. Then extension class loader. So it is designed to load the request of a class if the loader of the class. So it is unsuccessful to load the class from jar. So directory. So any another directory as a class dot next. It is implemented by the class launcher and so on. Then system class loader. So in this, it loads the application of specific classes from class path. So class path environment. So in this, the variable it cannot be set with the invoke programs and and so on. Then the types Thank you.